Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is our little Grim Reaper here. If you want to, this is optional. If you want to close the coat, you need this one. This is a fastener. I'm going to sew this one on the coat. There. Let's sew. Okay, just sew wherever you want, wherever you're comfortable with. You can put it higher or lower or wherever, but for me, I want to put it here, the middle. Catch you later. Yay! And she's done. Now let's make the carrot. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on our next video. Love, love, love!